Good morning, everybody. Andrew here from Big T's Fitness. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my channel, where we are going to work on how to make an anti-inflammatory smoothie. I've been starting to do this 3 times a week, and man, it is really helping me recover from my workouts and keeping me fit and healthy, completely plant-based. As a lot of you know that I eat vegan. I don't even really like saying that word, but I eat food. I eat whole fruits and vegetables and all that good stuff for you. So I've been getting a lot of questions about this smoothie, so I wanted to make a quick little video on how to make it. There are a lot of ingredients, but man, is it worth it. I'll have the entire recipe down below and actually take a little picture later in the video of the entire recipe. So if you just want to fast forward to that point and get the whole recipe, that'd be awesome for you. It would be an amazing tool to keep in your arsenal of tricks on this journey. All right, you guys, I'm just going to do a quick little voiceover of what we're putting into the smoothie. 1 medjool date. Got to take the pit out sometimes. They're kind of hard because I keep mine in the fridge. We're going to do 1.5 cups of oat milk. Now, I did get a little short of my 1/2 cup that I was looking for, and I'm so not opening a whole another container of milk for that, so I just threw a little water on top of it. I'm going to start my green tea that's going to go in the smoothie in a little bit. Now we are going to need 2 cups of greens. I'm using the Power Greens variety pack that I get from Costco. Pretty inexpensive. Has a bunch, I think 4 different kinds of greens in it. Put a good handful in there. Now we're going to get our tablespoon measurement and put some ground flaxseed. It does have to be ground flaxseed. When you grind up flaxseed, that's the best way for you to absorb all the omega-3s and all the nutrients that flaxseed has for you. Now this is the gooseberry powder Amla Boss. I got mine from the Pink Lotus website. I'll leave a link below for that. It's for Dr. Funk. She is one of the top breast cancer surgeons in the United States. Awesome lady, helping a lot of people out. Now we're going to put in my all-time favorite spice, cinnamon. I love cinnamon on everything. My oats, my cookies, my breads. It's so good for you too. Since I make one of these in the morning for myself and my wife makes one later, I always make sure to save all the teaspoons and tablespoons and everything. Cuts down on the dishes a little bit. And next we're going to add some black pepper, ground black pepper. This actually helps you absorb all the nutrients from turmeric. So turmeric has so many healthy properties when it comes to brain function, and there's the 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric going in right now. And my tea is finally done, so there's 4 ounces of green tea. It calls for 2, but I just decided to put the whole 4 in there because I could use a little pick-me-up in the morning. Next, we're going to be throwing in 1 or 2 bananas. If they can be a little brown, it actually helps the sugars break down faster, and so you can absorb it better. I always put 2 in mine just because I love bananas. Now we're also going to be using this aloe tonic, also from the Lotus Blossom website. The link is going to be down below. I'm going to use 1 ounce of this. Aloe vera is so good when it comes to liver and kidneys, your GI tract, repairing your GI tract so that you can absorb all the awesome food you're getting in this smoothie. And now it's berry time. So I always throw raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries into my smoothies, all from Costco. Try to buy in bulk, and frozen is always better than fresh just because they pick it at the peak of ripeness. So they're sweeter and they last longer for you as well. Just perfection. Look at that. This is so awesome, guys. And there's a little bit more left in the blender, but man, you can just see, taste, feel all the nutrients. Get a little green tea in here, a little shot of green tea. I like that. It wakes you up in the morning. But this is just awesome. Well, I hope you guys liked that video. Hope you try the smoothie. I really want you to because it is amazing. I'm sporting the new Big T's Fitness gear. Has the emblem across the back of it. It's pretty awesome. Get yours in the link below. Thank you once again for stopping by and checking out this video. I really hope you add this channel to your wish list. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, add the smoothie to your week, and you will not regret it. You guys have an awesome day, and thank you once again for stopping by Big T's Fitness.